Aristotle once said that persuasion consists of three critical elements: ethos, or credibility; logos, which means persuasion through logic and data; and pathos, or appeal to the emotions. In most business cases, lawyers are very good at presenting the logos of their case, the data. There may be hundreds of emails and financial statements and flow charts given to the jury, but that can be very dry, it can be overwhelming, and without the other two elements wouldn't present a fully persuasive case. Ethos, or credibility, is very important. The lawyer and his clients must not overstate any of the evidence. You have to be a credible presenter of what the evidence will truly show. Attempting to say that what we're trying to say is obvious or the other side's trying to say is preposterous is usually an exaggeration which should be avoided. It's pathos, or emotion, which is missing in most business cases. Even though there may be a complicated set of business transactions at issue, at the bottom of almost every case, there's an underlying emotion. It could be greed, fear, or jealousy, but usually those are at play. I like to try to explain the legal principles which will govern the jury's determination with use of pathos, which doesn't necessarily have to mean bringing the jury to tears. It can also mean telling a story or relating a common human condition that will make it connect with not just the jury's mind, but also its heart or its gut. I think that most legal cases can be explained in terms of what we all should have learned by the time we graduate from high school. Keep your promises, be honest, don't copy another's work, and if you receive someone else's property, treat it as though it's your own and return it in that condition. Now, in just those few phrases, I've explained the principles of the laws of contract, fraud, intellectual property, and trusts, or fiduciary responsibilities. And I think if legal maxims can be related to a jury in that simple way, with that pathos, together with credibility and data, the jury will appreciate your case.